in this video we'll be covering finding the area of non-right angled triangle by sine rule. When it was right angle, before going into depth, let's discuss this basic case. When we used right angled triangle, the area was simple, that is 1 by 2 times base times height. So 1 by 2 base in this case is 4, height is 6. You just simplify and you get 12 unit square, or if I say the units are centimeters, so we can change it into centimeter square. So for now we are going to discuss how to find the area of triangle which is not a right angled triangle. So the basic formula is 1 by 2 AB sine C, as you can see here. And consider this triangle. Before we start, understand that normally the vertices are labeled with capital letters, capital A, capital B, capital C, which also would represent the angles. And the side opposite to capital A is labeled as small a. The side opposite to capital B or angle B is labeled as small b. And the side opposite to capital C or angle C is labeled as small c. So this is small a, small b and capital C. If you notice, with small a and small b, the angle between them is capital C. So even if you wish to change the formula, suppose 1 by 2, I'll write AC, then it will become sine of B. See for yourself, when it is A, this side, and C, this side, the angle between them is C. So the tip is, whatever side you use, for example, you use one this with blue sign, one this with green sign, the angle you use will be the angle given between them. So let's try a few questions. Here are a few questions, and it says find the area of the following figures, giving answers correct to 3 significant figures. So first question, I'm not going into formulas for everyone. So 1 by 2 A B sine of C. So it is 1 by 2. A is first side, B is second side, and the angle is inclusive angle between these two sides. So this 5 and this 12, an angle between these two. Then use your calculator. It is 1 by 2 into 5 into 12 into sine 72, and the answer displayed is 28.53169, and the demand was to write up to 3 significant figures, so it is 28.5 unit square. For the rest of the questions, we'll just discuss how we will be implementing the formula. So area is 1 by 2, one side, the other side, and the angle between them times sine 121, and just punch this number in your calculator. This is area is equals to 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 into sine 46. These are the two sides and angle between them is 28. So area is 1 by 2 times 8 times 14 times sine 28. Make sure your calculators are in degree mode. Again, in this case, we have these two sides, but the angle in between them or the inclusive angle is actually missing. So first go for that. 180 minus 97 minus 28. So 180 minus 97 minus 28. Our remaining angle is 55. So area is equals to 1 by 2 times one side times the other side and the angle between them, sine of angle between them, sine 55. Look at this image on right hand side. You can see this is a trapezium. So I can write 11 here, and I can split this trapezium into two halves, that is in triangles, and these are equal. That is a property of trapezium. So you see one of the sides is 11, the other side is 10, and the angle between them is 63. So either you do this 1 by 2 times first side times second side times sine of 63 and then multiply it with 2 for the second triangle, and you'll get your answer. F part area is equals to 1 by 2 times one side, which is 10, times the other side, which is 11, times sine of this angle, which is between these two. So again 180 minus 64 minus 59, and the angle is 57, and you will get your answer. On right hand side again, these signs actually mean that all the sides are of equal length. So this is also 5. Again in the same manner, area is equals to 1 by 2 first side, second side, and sine of angle between them. And because we have two triangles, into 2. This would give you your answer. When you are given with statements as explained earlier in this page that angles are with capital letters and sides are usually with a small letter opposite to the given capital letter or angle. So look at this. This is angle A. Side B is given, side C is given. So BC and angle A is between them. You don't have to draw it. It is not the demand of the question, but just for understanding, if we say this is capital A, capital B, capital C, the angles 45. So opposite to B is 15 centimeters and opposite to C is 22 centimeters. So area equals 1 by 2 first side times second side times sine of 45. Just punch this line in your calculator and you will get your answer. Question number 3. PQR. What is the area of the triangle? Again, it is in the same manner. If we have this P, Q and R, angle P is 72. Q, opposite to Q is 152 centimeters. Opposite to R is 125 centimeters. So area will be 1 by 2 times the first side times second side and then the angle between them. This is 0.5 times 152 times 125 times sine 72, and your answer is 9035 centimeters square. You can leave as it is, or if the demand was to write it up to 3 significant figures, just round off. Question number 4. It says in the triangle ABC, where A is 42, B is 24, and you are given with these sides. A is given, B is given. So a little sketch so we can discuss it easily. A, B, C. Angle A is 42. Angle B is 24. Small side A. So opposite to this is 10 centimeters. Then we have B. Opposite to this is 6.08. But do notice that we have these two sides. So we must have angle C to use in our formula. So area is equals to 1 by 2 first side times second side times sine of angle between them, which is 180 minus 42 minus 24. Let me calculate this. This is 180 minus 42 minus 24 is 114. This must be obtuse, but it makes no difference. So 0.5 times 6.08 times 10 times sine 114 is 27.8 centimeter square. Let's see one more question, and that is here. You are given with this triangle. Okay. Angle A is given, angle B is given, side A and side B, and it says find the area of the triangle. So again, a quick sketch. A, B, C. Angle A is 50, angle B is again 50. So taking out this 100, you are left with angle C, where that is 80. Side B, so opposite to B is 5. and side A. So opposite to A is again 5. So area is 1 by 2. First side, second side, and times the angle between them, which is sine of 80. So 0.5 times 5 into 5 times sine 80 and up to 3 significant figure. The answer is centimeter squares. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and mention in comments if you have any confusion or you want me to do further questions for this. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.